nobody loves cleaning that much. And cleaning the things we clean with can go from bad to worse. And by the time we get to the end of this row, you'll know what I mean. But I'm going to show you how to clean 5 major things in the house that we used to clean with, starting with mops. Now,
can you keep the mop away from my tea? There we go.
Sure. There are 2 main kinds of mops. The mops that have microfiber and then these...
String mops.
With mops, whenever you finish using the microfiber mops, take the head off the mop. This is so simple. And these can be thrown into the washing machine. A lot of people don't realise that. Hot wash, mild detergent, then throw it in the dryer.
Right.
Super simple. Anybody can do that. Now, the more standard kind of mop that many people have, these guys also need cleaning as well. And this is a very simple thing to do. When you finish using these mops, empty the bucket, sit the mop in the bottom of the bucket and throw into the bottom of this at least a cup of water and at least a cup of vinegar. Hot water and vinegar, 1 to 1.
The universal cleaning solution,
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? Yep.
And then let it just sit for a while soaking and then leave it out to dry in the sun if you can. Brooms. People very seldom clean their brooms, but this is a really simple thing you should do at least once a week. A bucket of warm water, a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent, and then squeeze a lemon or 2 into the bucket. Now, lemon juice actually helps to kill microbes, germs, mildew, that kind of stuff. Yes, soak in the bucket for an hour or 2 and then let it air dry again. It really helps to create a decent fragrance in the kitchen.
Good one.